Hello everyone and welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to create a Super 8mm film look in Canva. First, go to canva.com and make sure you are logged in. Select the design you want to use, for example, video. Set the background color to black to give your canvas a classic film look. Go to the Elements tab and search for frames. Select a frame and resize it to be rectangular. Set the corner roundness to 100 on the left side and click on Videos. Click on Upload Files and select the video you want to use from your computer. Drag the uploaded video and place it inside the frame on your canvas. Adjust the video's position and size as needed. Play the video from the timeline to check its placement. Go back to the Elements tab and search for Film Overlay. Select a film overlay and add it to your video. Adjust the transparency of the film overlay to achieve the desired effect. Fine-tune other elements like grain, dust, or scratches to enhance the Super 8mm film look. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, your Super 8mm film look is created. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.